checking out Credit Sesame's credit score tool. Links are down below if you want to explore further. In this video, we'll cover its features, who it's for, and how well it performs. Credit Sesame offers free credit monitoring and financial tips. You'll get access to your TransUnion credit score monthly, plus a detailed credit report card. This card breaks down key factors impacting your credit, payment history, credit usage, and inquiries, so you can easily spot areas for improvement. A great perk? Free identity theft insurance up to $50,000, even on the free plan. Perfect for protecting your credit and data. Need more protection? Premium plans offer daily scores, 3-bureau monitoring, and enhanced identity theft protection. Credit Sesame also offers personalized recommendations. Applying for a card? Consolidating debt? Refinancing? They'll suggest options matching your credit and goals. Their credit score simulator lets you see how different actions, like paying off debt or opening new accounts, could affect your score. Credit Sesame is ideal for anyone wanting a simple way to monitor and improve their credit. Starting your credit journey? Working toward financial goals? Its simplicity and features make it a solid choice. Bottom line? Credit Sesame is excellent for managing and improving your credit. Free credit score access, identity theft insurance, and personalized recommendations make it practical and effective for overall financial health. Check the description for more info.